Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts out of biscuits. Preheat oil to 350 degrees F and flatten biscuits to 1/4 inch thickness before frying. Hi, I'm your friendly cook guiding you through a simple, fun process to turn pantry biscuits into golden donuts. We'll cover shaping, filling, frying, and glazing with easy steps you can follow. Stick around for tips on avoiding soggy centers and getting even color. Start by flattening each biscuit and cutting a small hole in the center to create classic donut shape. For filled donuts, spoon in jam or custard after frying or use a piping bag before finishing. I'll demonstrate sealing edges, pressing gently to prevent leaks, and choosing fillings that won't thin out with heat. We'll also cover glazing options like chocolate or sugar glaze for glossy, sweet finishes that complement the fried dough. Keep oil at a steady 350 degrees F and fry in small batches to avoid crowding and temperature drops. Flip donuts carefully with a slotted spoon after about 90 seconds or when edges turn light golden, then cook until evenly browned. Drain on paper towels briefly, then dip in glaze while warm for a smooth finish. I'll share quick glaze recipes and cooling tips so your donuts stay crisp outside and tender inside.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.